Hi everyone, and welcome to Canadigi. We are a digital marketing powerhouse based in Toronto, Canada, and we proudly serve clients worldwide. At Canadigi, we specialize in cutting-edge website design and crafting unique visual identities that help your brand stand out. I'm thrilled to have you here as we dive into today's tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to install the Hello Elementor theme, arguably one of the best themes available for Elementor. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced WordPress user, this guide is designed to help you create a lightweight, fast, and highly customizable website. Log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Appearance section, then click on Themes. Before we get started, let's make sure your WordPress installation is secure. One of the first things I do is remove the default WordPress themes. These pre-installed themes often have security vulnerabilities that could be exploited, so it's always a good practice to delete them once you've installed your preferred theme. Now let's move on to installing the Hello Elementor theme. 1. Click the Add New button at the top. 2. In the search bar, type Hello Elementor. You should see it pop up as the best match for Elementor enthusiasts. 3. Click Install, and once the installation is complete, hit Activate. This process is incredibly simple, and you'll notice that the Hello Elementor theme is designed to be minimal, making it perfect for building a custom website with Elementor's powerful page builder. Before we wrap up, I want to share a few extra tips to help you get the most out of your new theme. 1. Speed and performance. The Hello Elementor theme is lightweight by design, which means faster loading times and a smoother user experience. 2. Flexibility for customization. Since it's a blank canvas, you have complete control over your website's design. Experiment with different Elementor widgets and plugins to create a unique look tailored to your brand. 3. Security first. Remember that keeping your website secure is as important as its design. Removing default themes is just one step. Make sure to keep your plugins and WordPress version up to date as well. 4. Support and community. Elementor has a vast community and excellent documentation. If you ever run into challenges, you can find tutorials, forums, and guides that will help you troubleshoot and improve your site. I hope these insights add extra value to your web development journey and help you achieve a professional and secure website setup. That's it for today's tutorial on installing the Hello Elementor theme. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing and web design tips, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.